Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing the Summer Walmart Beauty Box. This is the way that it comes in the mail. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the information down below. So if you'd like to check it out for yourself, you can do just that. Now, as I open it, let me show you how it comes. So of course there's tissue paper, and then there are your items and a description card inside. Now the cost for this, under $7, and you only pay for shipping and handling. So that's what the $7 goes for. It's actually $6.95, but that's what it goes for, okay? And quite often there are full-size products, but for the most part, it gives you a chance to see the type of items that Walmart has available if you decide to purchase them for yourself. Okay, and according to our description card, the theme for this month is, well, this season actually, is summer loving. It says, and this is hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. Okay. Now on here, it gives us some, okay, this is good information. It says, you heard it here first. Mark your calendars. The Beauty Space NK Anniversary Box is coming this fall. And it says Beauty Space NK. All right, and this is what that one looks like. So the next box that comes up will be the fall box, and they're saying this is what it's going to look like. So, and then it says this is just the start. Discover more amazing brands and products at walmart.com/beauty. So, beach beauty and beyond. Grab your sunglasses and SPF because this season's hottest products have arrived. From days in the sun to nights around the bonfire, keep protected and polished with summer-ready skin, hair, and nail care. Revamp your routine and pamper yourself with these top beauty picks. Okay, so the very first item that I have is by Dickinson's, okay, and this is the Micellar Witch Hazel Makeup Remover. Now, if we were to get this in a full size, it would be 16 ounces at a price of $7.96. Very few micellar waters will you find at that price, okay? Now, of course, I love this. The fact that all of their liquid products, they put in plastic bags, so that way it does not ruin everything else in your bag. And this is what this product looks like. Okay. And it says this one is powered by 100% natural distilled witch hazel. This is interesting. Original witch hazel with micellar cleansing properties. Okay, and it says our unique 2-in-1 formula combines the dirt lifting power of micellars with 100% natural distilled witch hazel and aloe to give you a makeup remover and toner in just one step. No added fragrance. The earthy signature botanical scent is from our #1 ingredient, genuine witch hazel. Okay, let's see, does this give us a shelf life? It does not, but at a size like this, it probably would go through the summer, and possibly that would be it. So this is item number 1. Then item number 2 is Versed Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream with green tea and aloe juice. Okay, aloe seems to be this ongoing theme here. Okay, and this one is a 0.7 fluid ounce size. But if you were to get the full size, it would be 2 ounces, and that would be $14.97. Okay, and of course it says the green tea extract plus aloe leaf juice. All right, it says it's made for all skin types, light, jelly-like moisturizer that keeps the bounce in your skin. It says smooth a peanut-sized amount into your skin, and it's good for face and for the neck. And it can be used AM and PM after cleansing and applying serums. Now this one has a 12-month shelf life, okay? So you know what you're looking for. That's it up close, okay? Very nice. Okay, let's keep going. The next item we have is, it's in a package, so you're gonna have to give me a minute to open it. Here is the next item. It is the AF94 Playdate Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Tint, and it's in the shade Soft Smile. Now this one is a 0.28 ounce size, and if you were to purchase the full size product, it would be a 1 count. All right, and you know what, this actually is the full size product. That's very interesting. We'll see in a minute. And it would go for the price of $8.98. This one has a 12-month shelf life as well, and it is a cruelty-free product. Now, Sidekick already asked for it, so we're just going to go ahead and open so we can see what it looks like. This is what the shade looks like. Okay. I could see that being a blush or even a lip tint. Okay. Alrighty, I might as well just go ahead and put it to the side. Then the next item that we have, oh, this one is pretty good this month. All right, so the next item that we have is by HANSON Salon, and it's this one right here. And this is the Pro Brush Kit. And of course, this is a full size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $10.30. Now, this one says how to get this look. You see this ombre look here? It gives us all the step-by-step instructions on the back, and it says it contains one of each of these: the glitter, gradient blush, a fan brush, a cleanup brush. Okay, very interesting. And it gives you all 3 steps in which to get a look just like this. Okay, I would like to know what this shade is actually called, but it's absolutely beautiful. Let's just take a look at the products themselves. Okay, so when we open up the package, this is what the actual brushes look like. Okay. Very interesting. Okay, so look, the do it at home nail thing is really taking off because inflation is real, and these prices are no joke. So the last item, so this will make 5 items in the box this month. The next item is by Salon Perfect, and it's this one right here. And this is the Mani to Go Press-On Nail Set. It does tell us shades may vary. I'll tell you what this one is in a minute. And it is the full size, and it is $4.94. Okay, this one is interesting because I don't see the shade other than this picture, but I guess the picture is going to say, what, 1,000 words. So that's the actual color of the nails. And it says the contents are 30 nails, a nail file, a travel pouch, and professional nail glue. Okay, it has an 8-month shelf life. Okay. Now, I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, y'all know my story, and knowing my story, this will not be used on my hands, on my nails, anywhere near me for that matter, okay? You already know. And if you don't know and you want to know, I'll link it above so you can check it out. But it's not going any further than this. I am not opening this box, okay? So, but for those who get it, this is very nice. It's very nice. They are reusable, and they give you every bit of information. I didn't see where it said it gave you a tiny buffer, but it does say one is inside. Oh, it does. It's called a nail file. Okay, so slip our portable nail tech in your back pocket. Okay. So if you have an issue on the go, you can go ahead and fix that. So what do you think? The contents of this box far, far, far exceeded the price of the box. And even if I don't keep anything other than this, possibly even this, okay, I have already more than covered this cost, okay? And we're looking at upwards of $20 worth of full-size products, okay? So let me know your thoughts down below. Have you decided that you would like to try it out? $7 goes a long way in this particular case, okay? And look, we blow $7 getting the smallest coffee at some of those coffee houses. I'll just leave it like that, okay? So let me know your thoughts down below. And I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the summer Walmart beauty box. Now, let me just say, I also got the spring box in. If you want to see it, let me know. I don't have a problem sharing that with you because it is still available on their website if you would like to get it. So if you want to see it, let me know that down below as well. Okay, these are the items that were included down below. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for all of the full-size products that were enclosed. Okay, now make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.